Steve Jobs once famously said,
To me, marketing is about values. This is a very complicated world. It's a very noisy world. And we're not going to get a chance to get people to remember much about us. No company is.
obviously, marketing is about values. The question is, what value based marketing? Values based marketing is a marketing strategy that appeals to your customers' values and ethics. The strategy focuses on making a genuine connection with the customer beyond interest in a product or service. A values based marketing strategy can help your brand establish greater trust with consumers when you deliver on the promises you make through your marketing. How can value based marketing help your business? The world is noisy and crowded these days. With a constant stream of branded media and marketing campaigns, consumers can easily spot empty claims and manipulate sales tactics. They are quick to break from brands, influencers, and personalities who don't deliver on their promises, offering only gated content and sales pitch with no real education. In order for your brand to stand the test of time, you must have loyal, engaged followers who are excited to share your message, products, and services with their friends. A values based strategy can help you resonate with your target audience and keep your followers engaged for the long term. An audience that trusts your brand will, in turn, send their friends and family to you. Through word of mouth, you will not only gain loyal followers, they will bring other loyal followers with them. Consumers focus on authenticity based brand loyalty now more than in the past. If a brand stays true to its message, mission, and values, consumers value this. As a result, their loyalty to the brand factor into the decision to purchase its product and services. Many millennial and Gen Z consumers even say they are more willing to spend more money with businesses that align with their values than with those that don't. How can you implement values based marketing? If you feel value based marketing is the right way that your business needs, first define your brand's core values. Revisit your target audience to know more about their expectations. Study and research on competitors to know more about their strategies. Adapt your strategy as per your core values. So, what exactly is value based marketing? It's a strategy where you align your marketing with the values, beliefs, and ethics that matter most to your target audience. In other words, instead of focusing purely on what your product can do, you focus on how your product or service reflects the deeper principles that people care about. So, why should you care about value based marketing? Well, research shows that consumers today are more ethical than ever before. They want to buy from brands that share their personal values. According to a recent study, 70% of consumers say they will pay more for product or services from brands that align with their values. We are diving into a super impactful strategy that can not only boost your brand but also help you connect with your customers on a much deeper level. It's called values based marketing.